In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently merge accounts in Zoho Books. Let's dive into the process and make managing your financial records a little easier. First, we'll begin by accessing Zoho Books via the Chrome browser. Chrome is a preferred choice due to its compatibility and speed, which can help streamline your experience while navigating through Zoho Books. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Settings section. This is where all the configuration and account management features are housed. Now, when you get there, look for the option that says Chart of Accounts. This is an important hub within Zoho Books where all your account listings are managed. It's crucial because you'll be managing the structure of how your financial data is organized. In the Chart of Accounts, you'll see a list of all your accounts. Scroll through this or use the search functionality if you have a lot of accounts to quickly find the ones you need to work with. Now, what we're going to do is select 2 or more accounts that you'd like to merge. Merging accounts can be particularly useful if you find that entries have been mistakenly duplicated, or if you're consolidating similar accounts for streamlined accounting. Once you have identified and selected the accounts you want to merge, you'll notice a Merge option. Clicking this is going to start the merging process. This step is small, but it's pivotal. You're about to combine multiple datasets into one, which could have implications for reporting and record keeping, so make sure the selections are exactly as you want them. After clicking Merge, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is designed to protect against accidental merges, giving you one last chance to ensure everything is correct before moving on. Carefully review the accounts you've selected, and if everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the merge. Once the merge is complete, it's always a good practice to review the merged accounts to ensure everything has been combined accurately. Take a few moments to go through the newly merged accounts. This will help you verify that the data reflects your expectations and nothing important has been lost or incorrectly merged. Congratulations, you've successfully merged your accounts in Zoho Books. Remember, keeping your chart of accounts organized is vital for clear financial reporting and analysis. Should you need to undo any merges or reorganize further, Zoho Books offers various tools and support to assist you. Thank you for watching and happy accounting!